बराबर तो छू.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the new series of the Cricket Beyond, where we'll be rating each and every player based on their performance of Tendulkar Anderson Trophy. So we'll start with the first rating of the player, and I guess Parth, you will start this.
Shubman Gill,
The best player of the series,
the flat
captain
track
of India.
prince, captain of India, the flat track prince, the one who just lost 30 runs to Gavaskar to take his position of top scorer there. But I think overall, his skills, I would say, as a batsman, he did extremely well. Although he was batting on flat tracks, but yeah, he did well. But when the ball was moving, we could not see the real game of him.
No, no, you have mistaken. When the ball was swinging, we saw the real Gill.
But he was very close also to break Sir Don Bradman's record too. So
He was close at a lot of times, but overall, I think he as a player, if I would have to rate him, I would probably give him like 8 on 10 because he was there when India needed the most. But as a captain, if you tell me, I think it was a very poor choices and very poor decisions that I would as a captain, I think. It looked very naive from my end because I saw KL Rahul leading the huddles, KL Rahul coming out and motivating the the bowlers there. So I thought कि as a player अगर मुझे उसको रेट करना है तो एज अ प्लेयर ही डिड एक्सट्रीमली वेल बट एज अ कैप्टन अगर रेट करना चाहूंगा तो मुझे बहुत ये लग रहा है कि आई वुड नॉट रेट हिम वेरी हाईली प्रोबेबली 5 आउट ऑफ 10 अगर बोलना चाहूंगा तो एज अ कैप्टन क्योंकि हर टॉस पे वो बाहर आता था और बोलता था आई एम वेरी कंफ्यूज आई वाज क्लूलेस तो मुझे ऐसा
We have
लगता
one
था कि
session. It's good. We have one session.
the worst part that I could see that he told on the session that we are winning sessions and I'm like what and on the last game toss he's like I don't mind losing the tosses if we are winning games और वहां पे इंडिया सिर्फ एक ही गेम जीता था एंड बहुत सारी चीजें आई थॉट कि माइंडसेट थोड़ा चेंज होने लगा जैसे कि पीपल आर सेलिब्रेटिंग द ड्रॉज at a wicket which is very batting wickets पे हम draw celebrate कर रहे हैं draws are celebrated when 9 wickets there and we are drawing the game but we are celebrating draws at 4 wicket down when we still have 6 wickets तो वो सारी चीजें मुझे ऐसा थोड़ा लग रहा था कि वो सारी चीजें मुझे लग रही थी कि वो थोड़ा ये इश्यू क्रिएट कर रहा था बट एज अ कैप्टन आई डिड नॉट लाइक द माइंडसेट एट ऑल आई थॉट KL Rahul could have been a better choice but as a player he did extremely well.
there is a lot of brushing required as of now to
I
him,
agree,
which I
yeah.
feel. The transition which was made, giving captaincy directly to Gill, I feel Batten should have passed through not through K Brown or any other
Let
senior
Jadeja
member
as well.
grooming him till
Let Jadeja
one or
as well.
two series experience.
See, Jadeja, I don't think he's a genuinely a captaincy material, but I would have definitely backed, KL Rahul for this choice because मुझे ऐसा personally feel हुआ कि KL Rahul had done the most part of the hurdle choice and जो इतना गिल का hype हो रहा है that the main reason
No doubt, he batted very well.
he batted extremely well and उसका जो problems था जो we were seeing in the New Zealand series in the Australia series वो बैट का gap था उसके ऊपर उसने काम किया है I can agree to a lot of points there. See, playing cricket myself, I know how difficult it is to change the things in a very less span of time because there was a New Zealand series ongoing उसके बाद वहां से तुरंत ऑस्ट्रेलिया उनको जाना था ऑस्ट्रेलिया मतलब बहुत सारी चीजें थी फिर बीच में आईपीएल आ गया था बहुत सारी चीजें लाइंड अप थी बट बिटवीन दैट ही हैज इम्प्रूव्ड अ लॉट एज अ प्लेयर तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि एज अ प्लेयर वी कैन डेफिनेटली रेट हिम हाई बट एज अ कैप्टन आई थिंक कि वो बैटर
There are a lot of things which still need improvement.
Captaincy में there was one more thing. जब भी wicket या वैसा कुछ नहीं मिल रहा था, like Indian team was seen flat. Like there was no one to motivate. So ऐसा लग रहा था कि भाई wicket आएगी तभी आएगी.
What I felt missing there अगर मैं पर्सनली बात करूँ बस ही हम लोग भी बहुत सारे क्लब्स के लिए मैं अक्सर अक्सर ने खेला है we have also captained a lot of them but what thing I feel is cricket is a game जहाँ पे until the end मतलब जब
You
तक
have
खत्म
to
नहीं
keep
होता
your
you have to
intent.
keep your intent. कल मैं जब मैच देख रहा था जब डे 4 था तो जैसे ही 3 विकेट गई गिल वाज इन अ पोजीशन वेयर ही वाज लाफिंग विद केएल राहुल कि वी आर विनिंग दिस बिकॉज़ 3 विकेट्स फेल वेरी अर्ली तो वो जो एक माइंडसेट है दैट टिपिकली क्रिएट्स सम सॉर्ट ऑफ इंप्रेशन नेगेटिव फॉर वाचिंग पीपल अगर वही जगह पे मैं होता बिकॉज आई हैव सीन गेम्स जहाँ पे लास्ट विकेट ने T20 गेम भी जीता है टेस्ट मैच भी जीता है तो वी although they did never give up but yeah एक चीज था जो मैंने देखा कि वो चीज था that could have changed that so that was a one thing that I would have keeping myself in mind.
Also talking about the heading test, the first one, we were almost in the winning position, but still in that
Few
That
drop catches, we'll
that
discuss
was a
that.
different.
Yeah,
stuff.
we'll describe the aspect, but according to me as a player, I would have definitely rated Gill like 8 on 10 because not just because not giving him full marks there. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं बहुत solid batsman हूँ, but on the tracks that were ball was bit moving, he became very shaky there, so that is the reason. And as a captain, I would definitely give him like 5 on 10 because I did not like the captaincy and the mindset at all. That is the only reason.
Only thing I'm happy with is we scored 269 giving Virat Bhai a tribute. So he, कोई नहीं. I'll also rate him around 8, 8.5.
Yeah, for me as well, it's 8.5.
See,
8.5.
also guys, this rating are just this particular series. Okay, don't take us wrong.
So this is just for Anderson Tendulkar Trophy, but I think 8.5 is a
Eight,
decent.
Players have a lot of capabilities in them. That's the reason they are there. We are no one to rate them. So yeah.
But moving on to the next, the heart and soul of the England team, Joe Root. What do you guys have to say about that innings from Joe Root?
Joe Root has performed where anyone did not expect it that he'll
Yes.
perform. So there is something special about that player. Be it anytime in the slips. He's such an
His
active
catches.
person. Yeah.
I cannot believe that कि when ये पूरा सीरीज ऐसा रहा है for particularly for Joe Root कि जब वो बैटिंग करने आया है he has climbed the milestones, he has put down several legends name behind him and उसने जो intensity से और जो integrity से he has batted the whole series. I think this is going to be a very game changing thing, and I think Australia will definitely be looking at Joe Root how to get that person quiet because मैंने टेस्ट मैच में देखा था. I think probably it was a second test match where he was standing on a guard that was off stump पे वाला guard पे वो खड़ा था. Umpire just gave him out. As soon as umpire just gave him out, he immediately reviewed it even without asking the non-striker, and that was impact was outside. So I think कि वो जो बंदे का जो mindset है regarding this game, I think I loved the mindset of Virat Kohli, Steven Smith, and several other legends. But Joe Root ने जो काम किया है उसके ऊपर in these years, I think it is exceptionally well. मतलब Joe Root जैसा player मैंने देखा नहीं है. Whether it be catches, उसके catches देने का स्टाइल है या उसका बैटिंग का स्टाइल है. Because I see Joe Root perform because I had a discussion with Raj. I was telling him I think Joe Root is now done. I think probably
After second test,
the
we
second
were
test he should
discussing.
probably
Yes.
retire because वो runs नहीं कर पा रहा था. England were losing games. But he, stood up when it mattered the most. So I think an extremely proud moment because he has almost scored 9 innings. उसने बैटिंग किया है, एक में नॉट आउट रहा. 537 runs उसने बनाए हैं and average of 67.12. That is very gigantic average और उसने एक भी six भी नहीं मारा है. So proper
Even he has
test.
started bowling well. Like मतलब ज्यादा bowling करने लगा है. Yeah, he has even bowled around 60 overs in 5 test matches. As a part-time spinner, that I think is a lot.
And I have never seen that side of Joe Root where he tries to someone triggers him and he tries to get angry.
Aggressive, yes.
हो गया. First time I saw कि प्रसिद्ध कृष्णा के सामने जब वो खेल रहा था तो he tried to get
Under the skin of-
aggressive. Yeah, exactly. वो थोड़ा aggressive हो गया था, but I am liking that mindset. So I think according to me, if I would have to rate Joe Root, probably fourth test match तक Jamie Smith had the position of the top scorer for England. In fifth test match, the shackles were broken down and it was Joe Root who took him. I would if someone would ask me to rate him, no mistakes there, no mistakes in catching. I would probably rate him a 9 out of 10 for this particular series, the way he has performed.
I would rate him
I would,
8
yeah, 8.
because I was expecting a lot from him. Maybe our expectations
I-
are high because of his
Agreed, and I was expecting his second innings he might perform because it was 3 innings, as we discussed, it was 3 innings he was failing. So I thought, and to be honest, it was second innings was the best time when England needed him in that test match.
But still,
So-
I feel that he did a pretty decent job there. But yeah, I might be overrating him. But I just love the way the guy performs and whatever he does for his country. That is the reason I'm highly rating him. Probably we can again keep it down to 8.5.
8.5.
Moving on to the next player, probably talking about KL Rahul. What a guy! What a player, man! A captain, a disguised captain.
Agreed.
And a great slip catcher. I think he might have just dropped one catch on day 5, and that's when his heart was in his mouth that, oh, I've
It
dropped
might
the
have dropped
second
the
fan,
match.
and that might have dropped the game as well. But a very, very, a very calm, nature of person. Although, see, he played for a couple of innings, but the thing that he kept in mind कि भाई वो ball पुराना करके जाए, इससे ऊपर जो भी नीचे आ रहा है, went bat it out. So I think the mindset that he carried out with the team was extremely great there. I completely loved his technique, loved his approach, whatever it was, doing the huddle talks, coming out in discussion, जो भी उसने किया मुझे बहुत
बॉलर्स
पसंद
को
आया.
मोटिवेट कर
बॉलर्स को मोटिवेट कर रहा था, एंड आई थिंक अननेसेसरी जो इंग्लैंड में पूरा कांड हुआ वो अपने गिल साहब ने बोल दिया गेट सम बॉल्स XYZ, सारी की सारी चीज में आई थिंक हिज इन्वॉल्वमेंट वाज एक्सट्रीमली लेस देयर, एंड never found him unnecessarily sledging anyone. So I think a very matured player in himself, and I think India अगर उस वो है तो I think India should definitely back him until 3-4 उसको मतलब 5-6 साल तक उसको खिलाना ही चाहिए. जो भी वो कर रहा है he is doing extremely well there.
And I think उसने like we can say कि पुजारा का position it was not a number 3 position but उसने कभी नहीं like लगने दिया कि यार we missed पुजारा ball, openers are getting out, 3 4 5 6 are facing the new balls. वो बहुत कम बहुत rare हुआ है. तो he was not scoring the runs as well but he was
नहीं इसी
he made sure कि भाई I am at the crease till 15th 17th over.
स्कोरिंग रन्स का बात करें तो he is the second highest run scorer.
No, not in terms when he failed, like you said in some of the matches, some of the innings he failed, right? But तभी भी he made sure कि भाई वो 17-18 ओवर तक रहेगा.
So yeah, he was the second one to face the highest balls after Shubman Gill, I think. क्योंकि उसने 1066 balls वहाँ पे face किए थे. But I think a very mature player India has found, and I hope India does not fuck up. जो भी इंडिया का पॉलिटिक्स है सब साइड में रख के he should definitely go and just back him. I think that is the only thing. I would also definitely I love that player. I definitely would rate him 9 out of 10.
Agreed, yes,
Although his
definitely
performance,
9.
I'm not just judging on base of performance, but whatever he
He
has
was-
contributed overall, I think I would definitely rate him 9 out of
एक
10.
ऐसा लग रहा था कि थर्ड और फोर्थ टेस्ट में like he is captaining more when you compare it with Gill.
I don't know. I don't have any such rating for him.
He is definitely a
He's
nine for
definitely
me.
very
Agreed,
good.
yes.
I think
Yes,
उसके
yes.
बारे में I think I'm just doing fingers for
Like
for that
honestly,
player.
I was not expecting him to perform this well. And
But-
being an opening position में आके he did a fantastic job.
I think he did a very great job, क्योंकि अगर वहाँ पे वो भी नहीं होता एक गेम में अगर स्टार्ट हो जाता ना तो balls would have been in Gill's mouth there
Agreed.
for sure.
It's a right.
Balls, get some balls, guys. Come on. Next.
Jaddu भाई.
Oh,
Let's
by
bring it.
speechless. 86 के एवरेज के साथ बंदे ने पूरे सीरीज में खेला है. And to all the person
500
out there
plus
who are
10 wickets.
500 प्लस रन, उसके ऊपर से इतना बैटिंग करना,
Bowling करना.
चार
fielding में energetic.
5 हाफ सेंचुरीज लगाना है इन अ टूर्नामेंट,
142 overs.
बिलो 6 बैटिंग करने आना है.
ये किधर है जो बोल रहा था जडेजा को रिटायर करो, सबको
जडेजा फर्स्ट टेस्ट मैच के बाद देयर वर न्यूज़ की जडेजा वुड गेट ड्रॉप XYZ. आई थिंक ही हैज शट सबने मुंह पे मतलब आई थिंक मारा है चाटा लगा के जेन्युइन.
I also felt
चाहता नहीं तलवार निकाल
तलवार से और
बोल रहा
फर्स्ट मुझे वही लग रहा है कि फर्स्ट टेस्ट मैच में शायद वो इसीलिए फ्लॉप हुआ है कि उसको सपोर्ट ही नहीं मिला था. उसको अगर सपोर्ट थोड़ा भी मिल जाता तो आई वुड 100% से कि फर्स्ट टेस्ट मैच में भी वो खेलता.
जडेजा के लिए आई हैव नो वर्ड्स, मतलब जेन्युइनली
मिस्टर रिलायबल. maybe
आई थिंक जस्ट फर्स्ट टेस्ट मैच में स्टार्टिंग में लाइक व्हेन बॉलिंग टू डक इन द सेकंड इनिंग्स उसने लाइन लेंथ थोड़ा मिस किया था व्हाइल बॉलिंग बट आफ्टर दैट ही वाज मतलब जडेजा आई थिंक स्पीक
but
उसने रियलाइज कर
Jadeja
दिया कि भाई मेरा ये पिच गलत हुआ है.
I felt जडेजा ने इतने ओवर्स नहीं डाले, मतलब
143 ओवर्स डाले उसने
जितना उसके कैपेबिलिटी के हिसाब से भी नो कि
हाँ,
is
but that's where
that was something which I felt was missing, but overall
But I
the
but
brilliant
उसमें वैसा भी था कि गिल like to be honest Gill was not trusting his spinners. If you see
Yeah.
सब मैच में
Gill-
after 60
Gill was not
50
trusting
60 overs
Sharpul.
में
He was not
spinner
trusting
आ रहे
Shetty,
थे.
not
Agreed.
trusting
so
Boston.
that can also be a
So
fact.
बहुत सारा फैक्टर्स था. That is why गिल को रेटिंग थोड़ा कम दिया एज अ कैप्टन. बट टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट आई थिंक जड्डू इज अ प्लेयर दैट इंडिया हैज वेरी लेस टाइम लेफ्ट विथ, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है उसके जाने के बाद अक्षर पटेल को तो बिठा ही दिया है इस कॉन्फिडेंस के ये तो लग गई होगी. I hope he makes a comeback, but I still feel कि जडेजा should definitely play because उसकी फिटनेस, उसका कैलिबर कल भी मैं देख रहा था.
कल जो फोर बताई है वही मैं बोलने वाला था.
जो फोर जा रही थी उसको भाग भाग के वो बंदे ने जो रोका है दो
भाई,
तीन बारी.
भाई,
आई थिंक heads off to a player like Jadeja. I never seen in the smiling face always, you know, in disguise doing this stuff and going not getting enough recognition for whatever he has done. What a find.
He should get a good PR team, I think.
he has a अभी PR
But I don't think so. He needs a PR team.
I don't
Without
think so.
PR team,
PR
he is
team
doing
is
good.
he's a own PR, but I think
हाँ.
definitely we would rate him. I would rate him 8.5 on 10 for sure.
Just because of the bowling
Yeah.
part, which I felt was missing. I would
Still a
give
9
8.
I would rate a 9
A 9
because
from-
bowling it was not on in his end to be honest. Gill ने like if you see bowling ही नहीं दिया है, किसी को भी नहीं bowling दिया है. If
I
you see
agree,
But when he
apart
was
from
caught in-
frontline
he was after
frontline
he took the
pacers.
wicket, like the first.
उसने 7
after
विकेट
that-
लिया है जितनी उसको bowling मिला. He has took 7 wickets.
But I still would give him a 8.5, strong 8.5.
I will give him a
A
9.
9 from.
और उसको because
Yeah.
I still feel first test match if he would have gotten support वो
He
खेलता first test match भी लेके जाता.
100%. Moving on to
player.
next, Harry Brook, इंग्लैंड का सबसे चलिए
Yeah.
I don't know.
No comments on that but
वो
player-
Trojan horse होता है ना मतलब
I don't trust this player a single penny. I don't trust him. ये आईपीएल में बिड होता है, ये आईपीएल छोड़ देता है, ये जहां जाता है वहां तबाही. जब इसको खेलना होता है ये नहीं खेलता है, जब नहीं खेलना होता है तब अनएक्सपेक्टेड खेल लेता है, जब सेट होता है तो कुछ अलग करने आता है. आई हेट सच काइंड ऑफ प्लेयर्स कि जिसके ऊपर
especially in a test match.
in a test match situation, this guy would be regretting that क्योंकि अगर वो खड़ा होता डे 4 को England would have taken the series 3-1 after a lot of years. But this guy, I don't know what went into his head that just 10 minutes left for tea. I don't know what went into his head to play a shot like that. I cannot understand a mindset of a player. If I'm looking back at the test match जहाँ पे उसने पहले सेंचुरी बनाया था, if you look at that test match guys, he came out. सिराज ने कैच पकड़ा था, आकाशदीप शायद था, he bowled a no ball if you remember, and that was just the day was going to end. It was just like 5-10 मिनट बचा था and he वो throw that wicket and नसीब था कि वो no ball डाला and then he made a century out of it. He got out of 99 क्योंकि 99 के बाद भी उसको फालतू शॉट खेलना था. This guy,
Hook मार
he I don't think so.
Yes.
People are rating him extremely high. All the experts, cricket pundits are telling he's a very great player. But according to you, if you see from my angle, I would, be so offensed with this guy because he is the guy who put the series on line for England, I would say. After being set there and getting out with the way he got out, he is literally Rishabh Pant of England, I would say. Same thing happened when Africa asked Rishabh Pant, tell me how to hit some sixes, and he threw the wicket and we lost the series in Africa. This is the same thing this guy did.
It even happened in Australia BGT as well.
That's what I'm telling. That this should not be a mindset. Definitely, I don't
If-
know what
if
kind
you're
of
s-
fast ball he was playing. I'm
if you're
extremely
saying-
disheartened with the way this guy has played. Although he's averaging for 56, he is going to be in the next stretch for I don't know what he's going to be. But मतलब this is the worst level of cricket that I would see. भले उसने 100 बनाया 150 बनाया. If he cannot take the team over the line, I would definitely disregard this player. क्योंकि जो बंदा अगर टीम को over the line नहीं लेके जा सकता, we cannot count him as a player. In a test match situation, when a game is in your hand, when you need 70 runs or 70 runs चाहिए, what is the need to go and play that shot when you have a whole day and a whole session left? Because of that one shot, England lost the series. They had to draw it. XYZ or whatever happened. And then if you come out and say, Siraj bowled well and showing some sort of naive sportsmanship, it does not matter to me. But very bad cricket from Harry Brook.
Agreed. Even I feel like if you're saying like cricket experts are rating him high or वैसा सब, तो वो I feel they are taking into baseball into consideration. Right, this is their line of cricket. I'm not saying it's correct or wrong, but I feel कि this type of cricket or this type जो भी baseball, basketball वो लोग खेल रहे हैं, वो एसिस में उनको आगे जाके नहीं चलेगा. I literally like I was yesterday only having a conversation with my dad and I just said him that only like if England Harry Brook का number like middle order batsman, if he bats like this, Australia are going to eat him up, like literally eat him up.
Australia, we'll talk about that.
We'll talk about that
Yeah,
later, but
okay.
I still feel that Harry Brook is the second highest run scorer there, but still I feel I would just
And-
rate him a 6 on 10.
Agreed, because there was no like notable contribution. Like winning cause, where there were no notable contributions in winning cause. I
See,
felt.
winning cause is not always a thing, but I think I feel that there should be. See, he's
मतलब
very young. There should be some sort of.
निवाला मुंह तक आया और खुद ही फेंक दिया.
Exactly, वही मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना. निवाला मुंह भाई गले तक पहुंचा हुआ निवाला था. What was the need? अगर वो शांति से खेलता ना गस एटकिंसन ना टंग किसी को पैडअप होकर बाहर आने की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ती थी. तो what was the need to?
वो आराम करता हॉस्पिटल में.
It was just a very bad thing. I think key players like this, put the morale down. Although see they showed a lot of sportsman spirit, but I know deep down they know that Harry Brook was the real culprit there to throw his wicket in that manner. See उसका edge लग के out होता, उसको कहीं swinging delivery आ जाता, LBW होता, everything is acceptable in test.
Few people are telling it's Joe Root's mistake, but I completely
I
disagree.
disagree with Joe Root because Joe Root has played with
He was playing
perseverance and
for
patience,
that,
and he
yeah.
was playing as he was playing. But I completely disregard the innings Harry Brook has played. See, what happens is अगर 6 रन से हारने में उतना दुख नहीं है जितना अगर 160 रन से हार जाते हैं. I still feel that. So I still feel it is definitely going to haunt England extremely bad. And I was telling that it is going to be the same scenario. What happened to India at Lords is going to happen to England at Oval. Although results were not out, but still, I would just rate him 6 on 10 because I just 6 भी दे रहा हूँ कि उसने इतना रन किया, वरना मुझे वो 6 भी नहीं देना, इसको रेट ही नहीं करना. To be very honest.
For me as well, 6.5 for him.
Five just because of few other things, but
Yeah, he took a lot of catches.
Right.
He was the highest. He was he took a lot of catches as well. But yeah, I would rate him 6. Let's move on to next. Moving on to Duckett. क्या बोलना है guys?
yeah, look it. There were certain things I feel missing. I have seen जो डकेट दे रहा था वो नहीं दिखा मुझे ये सीरीज में ही.
For me, he was the best opener for England. When you compare it to all.
अगर नहीं एवरेज का बात करेंगे बट ही इज अ वेरी वेरी बेस्ट बॉलर फॉर इंग्लैंड नो डाउट देयर बट आई स्टिल फील कि डकेट का जो नेचुरल गेम है ही स्टार्टेड स्विचिंग दैट अप विद समथिंग एल्स देयर आई फील.
One thing, sorry, I have to cut you out. One thing which I liked about Ben Duckett was उसको पता है ये लोग मेरे स्किन में जा रहे हैं आकाशदीप ये वो rather than defending aggressive shots mindset change करेगी counter aggressive.
That is his style of
That
play.
is style of play, I think. But I think he overall Duckett did a good job, but fielding wise he was very bad. To be very honest, मैंने जितनी मैचेस देखे he was very very extremely bad.
There are many fours जो ऐसे ही दे दिया उसने जो fours नहीं हो सकते but
और दिया कैचेस ड्रॉप किया बहुत कुछ किया उसने. आई थिंक बेन डकेट के बारे में जितना आप लोग बोले
But he gave a good start to England.
he gave a good
But
start. He had
also-
several good partnerships there, and I think England are now looking a bit confident with him. So
I think
as a batsman, pure batsman उसको rate करेंगे तो I would 7 on 10 because
I would give him an 8. Like,
7
because वो start जो उसने दिया था like
I would just give him
if we
7.
are taking all 5 matches I would give 6.
अगर फील्डिंग ले ले तो definitely a 6.
fielding में
Because he was very bad. He dropped catches at gully. He dropped catches at fine legs. So I think that is going to be an issue.
Yeah.
But I think overall we can just end at 6.5 probably. Moving on to the next player, Jimmy Smith, young lad. But pressure pressure खा लिया.
I feel Jimmy Smith keeping excellent keeping. I
keeping
mean,
one side.
Yes.
there was not even single ball जो उसकी रेंज में अगर आया तो उसने छोड़ा हो.
Keeper receiving a praise from keeper is a very big thing I think because I think it is very difficult. कीपर का जॉब हमेशा गाली खाना ही होता है. कल भी देखा होगा आपने ध्रुव जुरैल को सिराज ने तूने बोला नहीं उसको
For गिल वो गिल के लिए
के लिए था. But yeah, that is only the thing. But कीपर को हमेशा
बट
गाली
कीपर का भी अलर्टनेस इसमें चेक होता है कि कैप्टन नहीं बोलेगा ध्रुव को मैं नहीं करूंगा ऐसा.
ऐसा
But-
नहीं I agree. But
he
Jamie
was
Smith
first.
overall batting was great. But I think still Jamie Smith has to level
He has
up.
a lot of
Yeah,
game in it.
yeah.
He just needs
He's
a
so
confidence from his teammates that you can do much better.
He is
things.
very
so
young
young,
because I
yeah.
think England have literally tried Butler, Bairstow, they have gone with Ben Foakes and then they have bought Jimmy Smith. He's a very young guy, a very talented guy, but still I feel he is somewhat like Shubman Gill, flat deck.
yes
King.
that
Because
pressure situation
Whenever
में
ball starts moving, there is certain sort of pressure, but he's too young to handle pressure as well. But I would still suggest that overall he did a very great job.
I
and
felt
excellent
he
job.
could have
His
won
wicket-keeping
last game
skills.
for England. I was confident
yeah I
that he'll
also
do
felt
it.
this.
I felt he can do it, but yeah, I was just unhappy with him because he poked that edge and there was no need to reach out to that ball. There,
Yeah,
तो
yeah,
मुझे
yeah.
वो बहुत थोड़ा hurt हुआ, but I think overall it was he did a decent job there. So I would just rate it 7 on 10. I think.
Yeah, strong thing.
Taking everything.
7.5.
Keeping.
Keeping was excellent. 7, 7.5.
I feel Indian team के सब कीपर से भी अच्छा गया उससे. Looking at the
Yes.
fifth test match, all the bowlers were bowling down
First,
the leg.
yes.
Yeah.
They were like throwing missiles here and there, and
He was
he was the one.
at least हाथ तो लगा है उनका.
Stop.
हाँ, at least हाथ तो
I
लगा
would
है.
definitely give him a 7.5 on 10. Probably वहाँ पे a strong. Moving on to next India का lefty Jaisu.
I don't know.
First inning and last inning.
That I told personally, like he plays first test का first inning to cement his place for the rest of the series,
And the last
and
test,
last inning to cement his place for the next series.
See, last match में तो he was batting on 4th wicket, so we can
So I
count
like that.
that. He is
But
catching.
you have to take consideration that it was his first England tour as well. So keeping that in mind, I think 6. Oh, the player of his caliber can definitely do a lot more.
I would not give him 6 because the way he has
The
fielded and he
problem
has
was
given the-
Jaiswal. What I felt.
No, just a batsman, I'm saying.
No, not as a
He
batsman.
just tried to overcome certain balls which were not needed. Okay.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Archer के थोड़े balls
नहीं,
थोड़े
नहीं,
मतलब
वही
कोई
बॉल-
ball.
जो out
नहीं,
का वही
मैं
ball.
वही बोल रहा हूँ. See, जो बॉल में उसको बॉल एज लग के निप आउट किया उसमें आउट हुआ इज अ डिसेंट, बट जो बॉल में
जो
बार-
body
बार-
में you can't
बार-
make
बॉडी
it.
में उसका
The
10
second
में 12
part-
के स्टंप है जो
second
उसमें
test
तो आर्चर को
the-
150 से मार रहा है.
और उसमें आउट होना आई वुड डेफिनेटली
Maybe first over, second over of the innings is first over.
जब जरूरत नहीं है.
I would definitely rate Jaiswal. I think he is a caliber of
Guys, one more thing I want to say. Jaiswal का fielding.
बहुत
As a batsman, I said, as a
नहीं, not as a
player,
batsman, as a player.
Player,
As a
he-
player in this tournament, if you have
First
to
match
rate
अगर
Jaiswal, I would
catch कर
definitely
देते
give him
तो
5 on 10. मेरे
हाँ.
हिसाब से
even
Jaiswal
I
deserves
felt
5 on
कि
10.
his attitude on the field was a bit shaky, like to be honest. वो
After
जाके
dropping catches
डकेट
and dance.
नहीं, हाँ वो सब तो ठीक है, बट अभी सेंचुरी ठीक है, तूने सेंचुरी मारा, यू आर अ बिट अग्रेसिव, वो जाके डकेट को अग्रेसिवली बोल रहा है, भाई यू हैव नॉट परफॉर्म्ड एज वेल एज ही हैज परफॉर्म. भाई आप देखो, शांति रखो थोड़ा. व्हेन यू आर लूजिंग, इट इज नॉट कि भाई तो आप कुछ भी बोलोगे सामने वाले को. His
I
attitude
would-
on the field also I felt was a
I would
bit.
definitely give him a strong 5 on 10 because he is a caliber जो जिसका बहुत caliber है, but इसने कुछ perform नहीं किया, but I would definitely give
Not
him
up
5
to the
on 10.
mark.
Not up to the mark for sure. I would just give him 5 on 10. Moving on to the next player, I think Lollipop. What do you guys have to say on Lollipop?
क्या
Only
बुरा
for
था
the-
यार. मुझे तो यही नहीं समझ उसको कैप्टन क्यों बनाया.
He was a vice captain, so
मतलब
तू मानेगा नहीं, commentary में लोग बोल रहे थे Harry Brooks should have been the captain. Can you believe it when the Joe Root is
Joe
standing
Root-
inside? And
I think उसमें वैसा हो सकता है कि जो रूट might have told कि I don't want the captaincy because I don't think कि भाई जो रूट को निकाल के anyone will be doing this कि भाई ओली पोप को कैप्टन बनाते हैं.
मे बी ऐसा हो सकता है जो इंडियन टीम नहीं कर पाई ये लोग करेंगे. ऑली पोप या कोई और यंगस्टर को थोड़ा पॉलिश
Lollipop lost the second, lost the
या वही
second.
मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि भाई रूट ने ना बोल दिया कि I want captain, please look into
I-
the next generation या वैसा कुछ.
नहीं, Lollipop lost second match at Oval, but overall I think his captaincy ठीक है.
Decent
Decent captaincy था. He could have done much
if he had
much better.
quality bowlers ना थोड़ा तो रिजल्ट तो कुछ और ही
नहीं,
होता.
there was just one player missing there. It was Ben Stokes.
Agree.
Yeah,
That
the
was just the
X
missing
factor.
one.
We'll go
Because
to
the
that.
only thing that I would like to highlight here is getting 3 fresh legs, Jamie Overton, Joe Stung, and getting Gus Atkinson, who was injured and out. 3 new bowlers coming with the same Indian batting lineup who has scored 608 runs against your very good
Prime.
bowling, right? So I would just see कि भाई अगर इतना जब हुआ है तो I would see India 20 wicket ना दे, but India gave 20 wickets for both the times. That was a very very shocking thing for me because I thought कि India could have just not given 2 wickets both the time. So I think वो एक चीज है जो we should have kept, India should have kept in mind. But Lollipop I think decent, not that great. But I think what we can rate him is like 6 on 10. I think strong.
No.
Six.
Moving on to the Benjamin Stokes. What do you guys have to
As
say
a-
about the captain?
as a captain,
यार मजा
As a captain, 10 on 10. He was spot on, bowled his
The
heart
captain as
out.
an all-rounder also. I mean, he bowled.
All round he was
मेरे
batting, he was not
एक्सपेक्टेशन
that
उनके
great.
बैट से ज्यादा था.
या
बॉल से.
वही मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि बैटिंग उतना फॉर्म में नहीं था,
He
But
made a 141 guys.
if you say like he has taken 18 wickets,
और जो
sorry,
intent
17
था
wickets, but
कि मतलब
वही मैं बोला aggressively bowling.
कोच
That's
को
And
वहां
being
से
the
बोला
captain,
मन कर बॉलिंग करना
and
मतलब
being the captain, his field placements, rotations, everything was spot on.
the best part that I liked was Sai Sudarshan को मामू बनाना leg slip लगा के again. If
और
you
सब
see-
innings में
And if you see the best part that I liked about his bowling, he when the ball got old, he did not have choices. What he did was he would typically keep a very short mid wicket there, and he would start bowling on body, so batsman would just go to block, and that would just travel to mid wicket. So what a captaincy that guy. For captaincy,
It's
I
a
would just
10 on
rate him on 10 on
10.
10 because he is just starting to become like Pat Cummins. Because जब तो Australia trouble में है, Pat Cummins picks up the ball and he comes to bowl. Same thing happened with Stokes. And I think definitely
और गेम निकाला उसने.
गेम निकाला भी उसने, and definitely it would have made an impact अगर उसने बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रेन कभी नहीं दिया होता तो I think he would have played all the 5 matches and that would also create an impact because I think जो ड्रॉ होने वाला गेम था उसमें भी वो विकेट्स ले सकता था इंडिया का, और जो गेम फिफ्थ वाला है 6 रन से आ रहा है
I
उसमें
felt like fifth test match that would have
Would have
suited
played
him the
it
best.
I think his series would definitely have been 4-1 with Stokes injury not coming in with that TRC shoulder. But as a player, I would definitely rate him like a strong 9 on 10 with
For
whatever
me
he
it's
did.
a 8 because batting में वो with like expectation से उसने उतना नहीं खेला.
I would still give 9 on 10 because when he was expected to perform with the bat, he has always shown that caliber. So I think
8.5 from
I
my
think yeah, as an all-rounder 8,
Yeah.
8.5, but captain it's 10 on 10.
injury की बात आई तो moving on to Pant. What do you guys have to say about Pant?
मैं एक चीज मेरे दिमाग में ऐसे जाए नो ऑफेंस टू पंत और एलिया वो शॉट खेलने की जरूरत क्या थी मतलब
Already.
I don't know what that guy is thinking. He is literally like मुझे ऐसा पहली बार ऐसा बिना दिमाग का मैंने प्लेयर देखा है. I still feel sorry to say that, but I still feel that बिना दिमाग का प्लेयर मैंने पहली बार देखा है. I've never ever
नहीं हैरी ब्रूक पहले है
वही तो उसने स्टार्टिंग में बोला ना both are same.
both are same. I hate that mentality. तुम गेम खेल रहे हो. What is the need?
अगर वो शॉट वो सीधा सीधा
Stokes
खेलता
को
तो
goal करता है.
5 पूरा खेलता था
आराम से 5 मैच खेलने का सवाल ही नहीं है. The impact that one player gives. What happens is if you see Australia tour में what was happening, if you see Rishabh Pant and Yashasvi Jaiswal were the two individuals जिसके लिए Australia was adamant on getting them out. They wasted their reviews. ये ऐसा प्लेयर है जो वहां पे खड़े खड़े
एक सेशन पे गेम नहीं जाएंगे. Yes.
Exactly. He is the same player like Harry Brook, but बिना दिमाग. Again बिना दिमाग. No sense at all.
पेसर को स्वीप मारना वो भी रिवर्स
I
क्या
don't know what he was.
दिमाग में
What
क्या
he was,
चलता
what
है
he was thinking, what sense he was, but I would definitely rate
मैं
him.
स्पिनर को नहीं मार पाता
But
हूँ
because of his keeping and his जूते के साथ bowling batting के लिए आना, I would definitely rate him 8 on 10.
For
7
me it was a 7.
8 on 10 definitely.
आना for a reason
7, yes.
Moving on to next, talking about Mohammad Siraj. What do you guys have to say about Mia Magic, Ronaldo of Indian team?
I don't know मतलब
8, 9 on 10.
मे बी अगर विराट सर होते टीम में तो और ज्यादा विकेट लेता है ऐसा मुझे लग रहा है
I would definitely give him a 9, 9.5 on 10 because of
नहीं मैं फुल मार्क्स दूंगा
नहीं 9.5 इसके लिए खाली 5 मार्क इसके लिए काटूंगा क्योंकि वो उसका
I would say 9.
थोड़ा सा 9.5
वो कैच लेके छक्का चला गया
catch
वो
लेके
ठीक है
चलता
चल
था,
रहा है
but he got the game in again. But I would definitely rate him like 9.
उसने
9.5.
वो उसका मिस्टेक कवर अप कर लिया पर सुमड़ी
The
में
way he has pulled his art out playing all the
Agreed.
5 matches, I think he is definitely a gem. And I hope fingers crossed कि ये बंदा injured ना हो because इंडिया के पास कोई बॉलर
कोई नहीं है. सब इंजर्ड बॉलर है. सब इंजर्ड 11 इंजर्ड
इंजर्ड
बॉलर
ना हो इसके और वर्कलोड मैनेजमेंट पे बीसीसीआई ध्यान दे. बट ये बंदा
आई फील बुमराह से ज्यादा इसके वर्कलोड मैनेजमेंट पे ध्यान देना चाहिए.
छोड़ो
Moving on to next bowler, I think a 9.5 for I think Siraj definitely.
मैं पूरे मार्क्स फुल मार्क्स
Moving on to next bowler, I would say Prasiddha Krishna. What do you guys have to say about our?
कुछ नहीं बोलना
एक जगह मोहम्मद एक जगह कृष्णा दोनों भगवान
I would say 5 for me because फर्स्ट 2 मैच तो भूल ही जाओ. लाइक वो पता ही नहीं चल रहा था कि लाइक आफ्टर फर्स्ट टेस्ट मैच आई ऑनेस्टली फेल्ट कि उसको सेकंड में लिया ही क्यों.
मतलब मुझे तो समझा ही नहीं हो मतलब क्या किया he took odd wickets, but मजा नहीं आया मुझे ऐसे कि
Because he was making runs as well, right?
Prasidh Krishna did a very great spell on the fifth day, I would say, on the fifth test match. बाकी उसके हिसाब से I still feel that he could have done a very decent job. उसके अलावा, but moving on to, I would just rate it like 4 on 10 because
4 or 5.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है जो speed
Just-
से runs का है, I think it.
Just for that dream delivery of Josh Tongue, उसके करियर का सबसे अच्छा बॉल होगा. I would rate him 1 point extra, like
Yeah.
5 on 10.
So that's it. Moving on to the next player, Jofra Archer. What do you guys have to say?
ओवररेटेड बनता लगता है मेरे को तो अभी भी.
भाई उसने
Four,
लेफ्ट
five.
हैंडर्स को जो हिसाब से आउट किया है, I think वो
But right handers के सामने कुछ नहीं कर पाया.
कुछ नहीं कर पाया था. But I would still rate him 5,
5,
5.5.
5 for
But he
me.
was not leaking runs. But जब वो लाइन
क्योंकि
खराब डाल रहा था तब उसको
No.
रोक भी नहीं पा रहा था.
माइट भी ऐसा है कि was not taking runs because बुमराह जैसा हो गया था भाई. वो डर था कि भाई इसको नहीं मारना, इसको निकाल देते, सामने से रन मिल जाएंगे.
ऐसा नहीं है वहाँ. वो
If you
डाल ही
see
रहा था
Bumrah
बॉडी
कैसा
पे,
था?
बंदा कर करके भी किधर रन मारेगा.
नहीं,
कितना
वही
pull
मैं बोल रहा
shot.
हूँ कि ज्यादा
उसके लिए
बैट्समैन नॉट
आपको
बीइंग
चाहिए
वेरी
रोहित भाई जो फुल शॉट मार सके.
But I would rate him a 5.5. वहाँ पे I think he could have done a lot better by supporting Ben Stokes when it was needed.
I feel Jofra Archer was not performing was the reason Ben Stokes बोला मैं बॉलिंग करता हूँ, तुम लोग से कुछ नहीं होने वाला.
I still feel that अगर जोफ्रा आर्चर का सपोर्ट मिलता तो that test would have not been a draw.
Yeah.
Moving on to
अपना
शार्दुल
जोफ्रा आर्चर.
ठाकुर एंड नीतीश कुमार रेड्डी दोनों को साथ में उठाते हैं क्योंकि दोनों ने कुछ ज्यादा उठाया नहीं.
Bowling no.
I would probably rate them like a 3.5.
बॉलिंग में आई थिंक उनका इश्यू भी नहीं था.
हाँ बट
बिकॉज आई फेल्ट गिल ने उनको ट्रस्ट ही नहीं कर रहा था गिल. सो कुछ प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं था भाई बॉलिंग में
Gill
उनको.
only trusted.
नीतीश कुमार रेड्डी को चांस मिला बॉलिंग का तो ही टुक 2 विकेट्स.
They took 3, I guess.
So I think that's it, guys. From rating. Hopefully, I think overall, if we rated the series 2-2, I think was perfect because दोनों की दोनों टीम ने कुछ ज्यादा इतना काम किया नहीं था to win the series. I think England had a lot of more chances, especially India had a lot of chances. दोनों 4-1 या 3-1. India could do 3-1 easily and England could do 4-1 easily. But both did a lot of mistakes, dropping a lot of crucial catches, not playing intensively. So I think a lot of things were there, but I think 2-2 series, I personally wanted England to win because मेरे बहुत सारे फेवरेट प्लेयर वहाँ पे खेल रहे थे. But I think definitely the 2-2 series is okay. I'm okay with that. But overall, I think it was a great series, and I think Test match is back to its peak. 25 days of pure Test cricket. Everybody enjoying that. So I think that's it from the rating from Crick Beyond. So please like, share, subscribe, keep supporting us. Follow us on our Instagram page. See you guys in the next episode where
Yeah.
we'll discuss something
Peace.
else about cricket. Bye, guys.
Peace out. Yeah.